If you want to use your magnification feature on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, first of all, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to our accessibility tab. Here it is. And in our accessibility tab, we are to choose our vision enhancement. Here it is. Here you gotta find our magnification feature. Here it is. Open it up. So to activate it, first of all, we have to activate our magnification shortcut. So you'll have ways how to start this function, and you have to choose it. So we have either tap accessibility button, press slide and volume up buttons, triple tap screen, or press and hold the volume up and down buttons for 3 seconds. I'll choose tap accessibility button. Right, so you can also, let's set it up again. You can also choose whether you want your accessibility button to be the navigation bar here or to be floating over apps. I'll choose it to be at the navigation bar. So now let's press OK. And if we want to use our magnification, we can press on the accessibility button. So if you have any other shortcut on this option, you will be prompted to choose whether to use your voice access. For example, I have a voice access here, or your magnification. So choose your magnification. And now we can drag the handle to move this window. We can magnify everything they want, and it can be really handy for the people with the poor eyesight. Also, you can adjust your magnifier size, right? Just like this, it can be huge. Let's tap it here again. We can allow diagonal scrolling, and we can choose the amount of zoom which we want to receive. And basically that's it. To close it, simply tap on this or magnification again. So tap on your shortcut or do a key combination to activate your shortcut, and it will be closed. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.